speaking. I'm doing good, and I hope you are too. I'm uh, I'm thinking to dive into Python, and I'm planning to create Python videos for about a month. So let's learn Python basics now, and we'll explore a lot after basics. You can bring Python and Visual Studio Code and join me to learn Python. Okay, before we get into the topic, first let's see why Python is such an essential language to learn. Python is everywhere, whether you are building a websites, analyzing data, creating AI modules, or automating repetitive tasks. So Python has a place. It's no wonder it's one of the most popular languages in the world. All right, let's talk about syntax initially. See, it is Python is known for its clean and readable syntax, right? So these are the basic rules to keep in mind, and like those are indentation matters, no semicolons needed, case sensitives. I assume that you are aware about points 2 and 3. So now let's talk about indentation matter. So in Python, indentation is crucial as it defines the structure of our code. Let me bring up the studio and show you that. What I'll do here, I'll just create a one simple if condition. I'll show you the indentation in Python. So first I'll create a one boolean variable. So I'll just sign true and then write if condition test. So we should use a colon, then print, just say okay, else colon, again print, and I'll just say not okay. That's it. So let me clear this. Yeah, I'll run this. See, since it is true, it shows okay. If I change this to false, it will show not okay. Yeah, but the point we are talking is indentation, right? See, look at the spaces. Look at the spaces in the if condition. The code inside the if condition is indented. If you don't use proper indentation, then Python will raise an error. Let's say, let me see, look at this. Look at the error. So we have to be careful for this in Python. Now let's jump into the next one, and that is called commands. Commands are used to explain what your code does, which makes it easier to understand for yourself and others. Yeah, that's true, right? Let me go to the Visual Studio Code, and then I'll just make a spaces. So I'll write a command for this simple code. I'm going to use a hashtag. I'll just mention simple program. Okay, so Python will ignore this command. So this command will helps to understand what you are writing in the program. It helps you understand. It is annotation actually. So if you want to write a single line, then you should use a hashtag. If you want to write probably multiple lines, you should use triple quotes. Let me show you that. Triple quotes. Okay, let's run this. Or okay, I don't get any error, right? So this is how we should use the commands, and we should be careful for the indentation as well. Okay, now let's see variables. Variables are used to store data that you can use and manipulate throughout your code. In Python, you create a variable simply by assigning a value to a name, which means you don't need to declare a particular data type for a variable. Let me show you that. I'll create a one new file here, variable.py. Okay, I'll just simply write x equal to 1. I didn't mention any data type. Y equal to demo. Z equal to true. So let me use a print method to print the values. I'll print all the three values, x, y, z, and I'll just clear this console. Yeah, let me run this. Let's see the result. One demo tried. I didn't get any error. It works as expected. Also, I didn't declare the data type for this variables. Right. Let's see the data type of this particular variable in this print method. Let me use this type method. So this method will will print the data type. Okay, we are good. Let's try that. See, first one is integer, string, boolean, but I didn't declare. So it's very simple. You don't need to declare the data type for a variable. You just assign the value, create a variable, assign the value. You know, Python will declare the respective data type for that variables based on the values. And also you can assign, let's say, vnz equal to 1, 2, 3. Of course, I'll just use a print, and then just use n instead of z. I'll just create a j. So what I'm doing here, instead of look at the value 1, 2, 3. So here I have created a variables and assigned the values in separate lines. Here I have created a variables and assigned the values in a single line. And also you can let's say I'll use one more a couple of variables, k equal to l equal to same. So what does it mean? Like variables k and l both are having the same value. Let me print that k l. Right, see, same. So I guess this is enough to know about the variables. So yeah, I guess this is enough to know about variables in Python. We have more. We can do many things, but at this moment this is enough. Let's move to data types. In Python, uh, Now there are several built-in data types, including integers, floats, strings, and booleans. So let's see that in Python. Let me link up the Visual Studio. I'll create again one new file. I'll name it as the datatype.py. So I'll quickly just create some random variables. This one will be 12.55. C paste D true. See, so these are different data types. These are different. First one is integer, this is float, this is string, this is boolean. As I mentioned, I didn't declare the data type, I just assigned the values to the variable directly. So if you want to, we can use the type method to see the data type. So let me use a print method, and I'll just use the type of I'll just B, then C, and then D. Okay. So clear. Let me run that. So int, float, string, boolean, right? So as I mentioned, so there are several built-in data types available in Python. So probably we can explore the data types separately later. So at this moment, it's good to know the basics of, we often use this string, booleans, integers. So at this moment, this is enough. We'll continue to explore the other topics. When we complete all the necessary basics, then we'll pick individual topics and we'll explore from A to Z in future. So guys, today we have seen a Python syntax, commands, variables, and data types. These are the building blocks of Python programming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.